In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create OKRs in Notion, 5 minutes. We'll build a simple, reliable OKR system using two connected databases. If you're new to OKRs, here's the quick idea. Objectives are the big qualitative goals you want to achieve, and key results are the measurable outcomes that prove you're getting there. Start by logging into Notion. From your workspace, create a new page. You can use a blank page or a template if you have one, but I'll show the structure from scratch so you understand how it works under the hood. Choose Database, Full Page, and name the first database objectives. Then create a second full-page database and call it Key Results. Having them as separate full-page databases keeps things clean and reusable. Open the Objectives database and add a relation property that connects to the Key Results database. This lets each objective link to multiple key results, which is the core of the OKR model. Make sure the relation allows multiple entries so you can attach several KRs to the same objective. While you're in Objectives, add a few helpful properties: a status select for tracking progress, a due date to anchor your time frame, and an assignee using the people property so ownership is clear. Consistent options for status, like not started, in progress, and done, will make your views and rollups accurate later. Now switch to the key results database and add quantitative metrics. At minimum, create number properties for current value and target, and a unit if useful, like percent or dollars. Keep descriptions short and specific so each key result is objectively measurable. Back in Objectives, add a rollup property that pulls in data from the related key results. If you track completion via a status or a numeric progress field on the KRs, roll up either the percentage complete or the count of KRs done versus total. Then add a formula property to turn that percentage into a simple progress bar using repeated characters. This gives you an at-a-glance view of progress without opening each objective. To speed up future planning, create a database template inside Objectives. In that template, insert a linked view of the key results database and filter it to show items where the related objective is the current page. Pre-add the properties you want filled every time, like default status and a time period, so each new objective starts with the right structure. That's it. You now have a clean, connected OKR system in Notion that updates automatically, stays measurable, and scales with your team.